Welcome to Affinity Photo. In this video, we're going to take a tour of the user interface and just get you familiar with using the software. So when you run Photo, you're greeted with this welcome panel. And what we have here are several samples that you can download and open, and they give you a good idea of what you can achieve with this software. From this panel, we can also start a new document, or we can close it. So we'll close the panel and we'll go to File and Open. Now from this dialog, you can choose and open images in a variety of formats, including Photo's own native document format, which has an extension of AF Photo. So having selected giraffe.af photo, we'll click Open. So having opened an image, let's look at the interface. On the left-hand side here, we have the Tools panel, which contains the vast majority of tools you'll be using to edit and manipulate your images. Here we have a context toolbar that changes depending on which tool you have selected. So for example, if I select the paintbrush tool, I now have a variety of settings with which to control that tool. On the right-hand side, we have a variety of panels that offer us layer control, an undo history, channel control, a histogram, and color options. These all may be familiar, but a feature unique to the Affinity suite is the concept of personas. Now, personas are found at the top left here, and they basically offer different workspaces that provide different tools and functions. So we're in Photo Persona at the moment, and that basically gives you all of your main image manipulation and editing tools, and it's the main persona you'll be using most of the time. Liquify allows you to modify the image mesh, and you can see our toolbar has changed along the left-hand side, so we now have Liquify-based tools, as well as mesh and brush options on the right-hand panels, and mesh and masking options along the top here. If I just switch back to the Photo Persona, I can then switch to Develop. Now Develop is opened by default when you load your raw images into Photo, but you can switch to it from any raster layer. And it basically presents you with various editing options to tweak the tone and overall look of your image. So we can cancel out of Develop Persona and then move along to Export Persona. So this persona gives you finer control over the output of your image. It allows you to create export slices, so you can export specific areas of your image. You can tweak the output format, the resampling method, output color profile, and also export Retina or high DPI versions of your imagery. So there's a quick tour of the photo interface. If you have any questions or queries, please do ask on the official Affinity forums. Thank you for watching.